The journey of cacao from raw agricultural seed to refined confection is a testament to modern industrial precision. It begins in the clean receiving bay, where sacks of fermented cacao beans undergo rigorous quality checks. These raw beans are quickly sorted, thoroughly cleaned, and then routed into massive cylindrical roasters. Inside, carefully monitored heat profiles develop the deep, complex chocolate flavors locked inside the shells. After roasting is complete, high-speed winnowing machines crack the beans open and use strong air currents to separate the light outer husks from the dense, nutrient-rich cocoa nibs. These roasted nibs are then fed into heavy-duty grinding mills, where intense mechanical friction and pressure transform the solid pieces into a flowing dark liquid known as cocoa liquor. This rich liquid serves as the foundational ingredient for the crucial next phase of intense refining, blending, and physical transformation within the modern automated factory. From the grinding mills, the rich cocoa liquor is combined with pure sugar and creamy milk solids inside heavy conching machines, where massive steel rollers continuously knead the mixture for hours to achieve a silk-like texture. Next, the mixture undergoes tempering, a crucial thermal process that stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals to give the final bars a glossy finish and a clean snap. Automated robotic depositors then fill polished polycarbonate molds with the tempered liquid before they travel through cruel tunnels to solidify into their recognizable shape. Each bar is carefully demolded, scanned by high-speed optical inspection systems for defects, and routed to the packaging line. Here, high-speed automated machinery safely wraps the chocolate in protective foil and paper sleeves, preparing the finished goods for global distribution. To see more advanced manufacturing processes in action, subscribe to our channel and join us for our next industrial tour.